Uno, Billie Eilish add-on pack, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Add the 16 Billie Eilish cards to your classic Uno game. The new card effects are Wild Pass Color. This is a wild card. After playing, pick a color like normal. Now, all players must take all cards of that color from their hand and pass them to the next player in the current direction of play, adding it to their hand. If a player has no cards of the color, then they don't pass any, but they must still accept cards passed to them. Players still need to call Uno if they have one card at the end of the passing. If you pass all your cards and receive none, then you win. Trick Wild Card. This is a wild card. If the next player can't play the chosen color, you may immediately play again. Wild Color Challenge. This is a wild. After picking the color, all other players must show you one card of that chosen color. Everyone who can't draws 2 cards. If all the other players show you a card of that color, then you must draw 3 cards instead. Reveal Hands. After you play this, everyone immediately places their hands face up on the table so everyone can see all their cards. Play continues like this until the start of your next turn.